Dr. Tarik, Dr. Tarik, Dr. Tarik. Okay, once again, ladies and gentlemen, as we continue our exciting journey for today, we are honored to have with us a very special guest, Dr. Tarik, live from Karabuk University, Turkey. Dr. Tarik is a highly experienced and passionate lecturer who has dedicated many years to the field of education and international collaboration. His work reflects his deep commitment to connecting students across borders, promoting innovation, and enhancing global academic exchange. We are also proud to highlight a meaningful partnership, the Memorandum of Understanding, MOU between University Malaysia Kelantan UMK and Karabuk University. This MOU opened doors for future student exchange, collaborative research, and shared academic development between the two institutions. It is indeed a step forward in creating global opportunities for our students. We are honored to welcome Dr. Tarik Adnan Almohamad from Karabuk University, Turkey, to present his session entitled Ifuture and the Tech Revolution. Are we ready?
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Selamat petang. Now it's morning in Malaysia, but here it's like, sorry, in Malaysia it's petang, but here it's still morning. So, selamat petang, everyone. I'm truly honored to be here with you today at this great event, Our Future, at UMK 2025. And I would like to begin by thanking the incredible organizing team at the university, also the leadership of the university for making this event possible, actually. So, can you hear me, my friends? First, I would like to confirm. All right, all right. Okay. So, I'm not sure if my camera is working, but I think it's blinking at my side. Anyway, let me start. So, in today's session, actually, I would like to take you to, like, in a short journey into the future, and a future that's AI, or where AI and wireless technologies are not just like tools, but it will force shaping the leadership itself, since it's our main topic and the theme of our topic today's. So, shape the AI combining with wireless technologies, which affecting our life no way, no matter what is your field, no matter what is your background. Actually, it's intervene every aspect in our life. So, so the leadership itself. Uh, it's now actually the technology. I mean, the talk today is not about the technology itself. I'm not going to go for like deep details, but it's about the next generation of leaders. It's about you, actually, and how we can harness these tools to build a better world. Okay. So, let me introduce actually myself. Tarik Adnan Almohamad, بالأصل dari Syria. So, I came from the background in communication engineering, and over the years, actually, my research has focused on integrating the artificial intelligence into the wireless communication. All right. So, actually, my fields include things like signal recognition, modulation, classification, and even like AI powered drones for the communication tasks. All right. And beyond the technology, actually, I was also involving in some volunteering works during my stay at USM. So I was actually honored to be holding a position as a president of postgraduate students, and also volunteering as a student ambassador at the campus, promoting our campus actually to the international communities outside. Beyond actually all of this, what truly drives me here is the education and innovation. Also, I liked to mentor and empower students, great students like you, to become leaders and problem solvers in the digital world. I hope my slides are clear and working. So maybe the host can let me know if the slides are not going. All right. So okay, check visit. All right. So why actually this? Why this talk? Why actually you, and why now we are actually conducting this important talk? Why are we gathered here today? This is because the digital revolution needs like bold or thoughtful, and also need visionary leaders, innovative leaders, and that means actually to me, UMK students. So leadership in this time actually is different. So it's not just about having authority, having authority like you are authorizing something. No, it's about the fluency in the tools of transformation. So AI and wireless systems generally already changing the way that we live and we also lead. So we are not just the users of this tool, but we are the decision makers, and we can say the change makers, All right. And actually, we are living through like a once in generation transformation. So smart cities, for example, they are emerging, So in this case, the automation or the AI tools are shaping the industries. For example, like 5G or fifth generation of wireless communication is already here, and also the sixth generation of wireless communication coming, and there are lots of research papers are conducted now, or research conducted now in this area. So like we can say like 6G is on the horizon. So AI is not in our phones now, in our homes, and also in our, let's say, even hospitals, But with all these advancements comes to like the need, for ethical and adaptable, and we can say innovative leaders. The leadership today means understanding these transformations, understanding these shifts, and trying to guiding them actually for a purpose. All right. So to be honest, let us actually talk about how AI is used, like in every system that keep us connected. Maybe a little bit technical talk going on here, but I think guys in the area of electric and computer engineering departments, they might capture some of these technical things. But I wanted to show that where we are as a technology aspect. So in communication networks, AI can classify several parameters of signals when the signal move from the transmitter to the receiver, no matter what is the transmitter type, what is the receiver type. It could be your mobiles, it could be the drones, it could be the vehicle, any actually connected units, no matter what are the types of the transmitter and receiver. So the contribution of AI here going to enable the receivers to classify these incoming signals and estimate, for example, the quality of the channel between both transmitter and receiver, or we can say the signal to noise ratio, and even detect any noise actually happening on the way. So we call this type of research signal intelligence. All right. It's all what allows our systems to adapt in real time, improving the quality and recover from errors. By the way, this actually kind of technologies can intervene or can support different types of fields, starting from the engineering up to the agriculture, the medical fields, everywhere actually. That's why there is no way to run away from understanding such concepts, at least the basic one actually. So these tools powering everything from our phones or our mobile signal to the drones delivering, like for example, I think you have seen like drones delivering medical supplies. So it's about actually the role of AI in this technology and then the impact of this technology in our life. Then we can say it's about the style of leadership that it will lead to. So it's all around actually you. All right. So uh, let us zoom actually out and look at the foundation, the basics actually, like the wireless ecosystems. So as I mentioned earlier, that 5G is already changing industries and it's already applied maybe as demos, somewhere maybe in Kuala Lumpur, maybe I do believe Kuala Lumpur, Penang, and Kelantan as well. Maybe there are some points they have started to try the 5G, but as a core, actually, that it's add to that the Internet of Things, which mean everything is connected. You can say that fridge, refrigerator, cars, mobiles, your screen, everything is connected. So this is under the title of Internet of Things. So as the network getting smarter, also the possibilities actually to innovate growing as well. And someone needs to lead this evaluation, to be a leader in this evolution. Sorry. So why not actually the one UMK trying to lead this innovative? Why not? No matter what's your background, actually. So maybe I can share some examples, like after, for example, any natural disaster, we can say equipments like drones, or UAVs equipped with AI and wireless technology can assess this damage, can evaluate this actually impact. So locating actually, for example, locating the survivors or sending live updates, no, of course, we the employment of the technology in fighting these disasters are a shape, or we can say one way or one form of leadership. So let's say in agriculture, agriculture impacting by the technology so much. Let's say AI sensors can monitor the soil health, can helping the farmers to grow more food sustainably, in sustainable way. Uh, Back talk to the healthcare, the wearable devices powering by wireless networks also monitor like vital signs, in remote areas. So this is where actually our skills can make the real world impact, helping the people and saving lives to changing these systems. All right. So why actually is AI uh, like really such a game changer in communication systems and in other fields in our life? Actually, because it makes the systems that we are engaging with, more intelligent and more adaptive. Imagine, for example, in wireless communication, imagine a network, that optimizes itself automatically. So choosing, for example, the best path, best receiver in computer networking, for example, detecting problems before they occurring, and maybe saving energy. So actually having the intervention of AI positively in our lives, helping us to optimize the parameters of any system we are handling, and make the decisions right at the end, the user ends actually, where for example, the instant responses are mattering. So this leads to a smarter cities, faster services, and happier users as well. So comes to the leadership actually mindset. leadership, as I mentioned at the beginning of my talk, in my opinion, leadership in technology is not actually mean you have to be the best, for example, like a programmer, in the class. No, it means, for example, like you need to be more curious, to be more collaborative. You need to have a sense of purpose. This is the leadership in technology means. Not only that you are a programmer, you would be the leader. No, as I mentioned, like, you need to understand the technology, but also the ethics, the teamwork, the empathy. I have seen and witnessed actually teams from UMK really are meeting such values, ethics, teamwork, empathy. We have received actually last year your team from UMK under the leadership of Dr. Una, and I really had a great time with them. Actually, I haven't seen Malaysians for like 5 years or 4 years, we can say, in 2020, at the end of 2020. So I was so happy to meeting all those guys. All of them are very smart, and really they are really acting as great leaders. So as I mentioned, like great leaders in technology, they could like build special systems, diverse teams, and solutions that serve the humanity, because this is our target. This is our final purpose. How to serve the humanity. That is actually the mindset we need in the digital age, we can say. So yeah, where actually do we fit in? There is you can say there is a space, for everyone in this when this actually ecosystem, we could call it. The opportunities for us in the AI, and more specifically in wireless communication, the area where, or telecommunication, another term for this field. So you can join, for example, guys, especially guys in electric and computer. You can join research labs, publish like your papers from now. Even if you are undergraduate students, you should think about how to write a piece of work and try to publish your findings and try to build your own startup, you can say. So you can work maybe with like even with like governments or NGOs, to improving the technology that fits your field, fits your background for, and like some areas, that need your support, or maybe jump to advanced research, as I mentioned, like 6G, for example, the sixth generation of wireless communication, which will change everything in every dimension and every aspect in life. Maybe building some IoT solutions, even if you are not from engineering background, why not? Developing AI tools, let's say, for some companies in Kuala Lumpur and Kelantan, for example. So whether it's like a freelancer or innovation or formal careers, there is a path for us. There is a path for you actually to innovate and build up your leadership skills. So the skills that you should start learning now, I would like to emphasize on such like skills. But yeah, of course, there are some friends maybe from not from this the field of engineering. Anyway, I have seen some people from even literature schools and science schools, not related, I mean, to engineering. They are working on Python and MATLAB, for example, because things are going like so fast. And if you are not well equipped in such tools, it might be difficult for you to adapt in the near future. So what skills do you need? So let us start with the fundamentals, like Python programming language. It is actually a tool that is not limited to engineers, or programmers. It's become really a tool that everyone should benefit. Same as MATLAB, it's an easier one. So we should like learn how to work with the real-time systems, that using advanced technologies, available technologies in our hands. So also, of course, we need to build up like our human skills, our communication skills with people, our critical thinking, and also the teamwork or the collaboration. These are the features that make you not just employable or finding job easily, but irreplaceable. Yani nobody can replace you because you have this kind of values, let's say, or skills. All right. So today you have to start actually making a plan. What my profile needs to some improvement. You have to define what skills that you need to improve and start by today. And how you start. Actually, the best way to learn is by doing. This is actually my humble experience. The best way to learn is to do things. Learning by doing. Try to join some branches, student branches like IEEE, for example, or any other committees. Try to take some massive online courses or open courses. Now the internet is like full of sources of information for free. So it's about your persistence, about how we are persistent to gain knowledge and improve our country, improve our city, improve our university, let's say. So these are free, courses, or maybe low cost courses offered like online by maybe universities, organizations. I think you are aware about Coursera and edX, or Udemy. Maybe there are a lot of technical courses that can really shortening your path of learning, and improve so fast. So this will allow everyone anywhere to learn maybe skills and gain knowledge in topics like AI, as I said, or even robotics, or wireless systems, since these systems could be useful even inside your house, So, like, actually, also you can gain some certificates from this attending these courses, So this will like trying to pitch our ideas, try to get feedback. This actually can really improve yourself by doing to learn quickly and instantly. Don't wait actually for that permission. Create your own opportunities. Your own. Create the opportunity by yourself. Don't wait it to be like granted. So uh, maybe you don't need to have a big lab, or like a huge grant to start. Sometimes you can begin with a small projects or meaningful projects. I do believe that there are like huge amounts of spaces in, let's say, in UMK, that the university granting the students a lot of uh, we can say rooms or spaces, I mean chances, to start your own personal project. So please exploit these chances and try to, for example, design let's say a smart system, for example, turning off your lights when you leave the room. This is actually already there, but I mean already improved, already developed, but you can uh, gain experience, from this small projects. Try to simulate, for example, a wireless sensor network in your laptops. Try to learn how to train AI model, how to detect things, in AI model. So these projects, in fact, will teach us some valuable skills and show also the community, show the world that you are capable of doing things. So what the future need from us actually, the world, to be honest, doesn't just like need more engineers or AI developers. No, it needs ethical innovators. I'm going to repeat, ethical innovators. So people who care about what they build and who it serves. This is actually what we can define those innovators, and try to be a global citizen. Interesting, this actually, like global citizen. You are actually like, you have to stay curious, you have to stay humble and never stop learning. Your ideas will maybe like shaping the not only your country, but it will shape like our planet. That's why I'm saying like be global citizens, be useful not only to Malaysia, to the whole world, expressing, let's say, the great ideal, of Malaysians to the world, and show that we are capable to contribute to the whole planet. So we are global citizens, we could say. All right. So to me, let us actually call to action. Let us highlight the hashtag of Ifuture leaders, So here is what I want to leave you with, AI and systems like wireless communication, for example, and other fields we could say up to date fields, really incredible tools, but it's about you who decides that how they are used, how to be how they are going to be employable, so it's about the next generation of leaders. It is you, to be honest. So try to be the signal of change. Try to improve or empower yourself, empower others. Start maybe small, no problem, no problem, but stay consistent. And aim big. This is actually what we wish to see, like the future leaders. And it's not tomorrow. The future is not tomorrow. It will start right here, right now with all UMK people. Okay. All right. So actually, I would like to thank you. That's all my slides for today, and I am open for any questions from your side. I cannot hear you guys. If you can hear me, I cannot hear your voice.
Your powerful insights. Do we have any question from the future leaders? Okay, future leaders, do you have any questions? All clear? Okay, thank you, Dr. Tarik, for your powerful insights.
Yeah, it's okay, Doctor. And I would like to thank you for this invitation. I'm thanking also all the friends attending this event, appreciating their time as well. So if you would like to, come over Turkiye, I'm waiting to host everyone, inshallah.
Okay, let's show our appreciation with a loud applause for Dr. Tarik live from Karabuk
Thank you.
University.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Uh, Doktor, Assalamualaikum. Saya nak ambil izin, saya kena keluar sekarang. Ada tim yang kena support sekarang untuk forest fires. So kalau boleh bagi izin saya lah, saya nak keluar.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Tarik.
Alright, Assalamualaikum.
Bye. Goodbye, doctor.
Bye bye.
The camera is at the back side, guys, as you guys can see.
Yes, I can see them. Sayang orang UK.
And now, the moment many of you have been waiting for, the last lucky draw. And for this session, I would like to invite Muhammad Hassanain and Muhammad Saiful Azam to the stage, followed by the representative from Biokenaf. Okay, Mr. Saiful Azam and representative from Biokenaf UMK to the stage. Okay, the first name for today, the first name for today, the first name for this session, Katrina Suhaimi. Okay, our second lucky name, Adam Harith bin Muhammad Aidil Adli. The third lucky name for this session, Nik Nur Kistina Hafizah binti Nik Zaid. Okay, next is Iman Ifwat bin Sairi. The next name is Tuan Adriana Balkis binti Tuan Muhammad Azfar Rizal. Next name is Zamri bin Hamid. Do we have Encik Zamri bin Hamid? The next lucky name is Muhammad Al Nazmir bin Aldam. Do we have Al Nazmir with us? The next lucky name is Muhammad Irfan bin Suhaimi. The next lucky name is Nur Zulaifa binti Nur Badli. Do we have Nur Zulaifa with us? And the next name is Alia Sofia binti Hirman. And the last three winners. Nurul Fatin Nabila binti Abdul Ghaffar. Do we have Nurul Fatin Nabila with us? Next is Syahmi Hanan bin Muhammad Yashin. Okay, the last lucky winner from Abim. Dayana Darwishah binti Badrul Hilal. Oh, the last name from Abim. Okay, one more time. Spin the wheel, last name to receive the gift from Abim. Nur Umairah Batrisha binti Saharil Azwan. Next, for the special gift, I would like to invite Maxis representative to the stage. Okay, so we have Muhammad Hassanain on the stage. Now last two names for the hampers. Muhammad Hassanain bin Abdul Rahman. Okay, another name, please. Putri Ariana Zahra binti Arman. Okay, one last name. Nur Idina Afika binti Muhammad Sabri. And with that, that is the end of our lucky draw session. We now would like to invite all our VIPs, speakers, and special guests to the front of the stage for a group photo session. Kindly make your way forward as we prepare for the photo shoot.